Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses the nation in Mann Ki Baat, stressing on the need of preserving the environment. The three new criminal laws, Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and Bharatiya Saksha Adhinayam, will come into force tomorrow. India defeats South Africa in ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup 2024 finals, ends 11-year wait for global trophy. And Behdiengkhlam Festival, a celebration of Panar heritage in Meghalaya, begins. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today spoke about the special campaign launched on World Environment Day this year, Ek Peड़ Maa Ki Naam, addressing the nation in his Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani this morning. The Prime Minister, he appealed to the people from all over the world to plant a tree along with their mothers or in their mothers' names. He added that this campaign will also benefit and protect Mother Earth.
अभियान का नाम है एक पेड़ माँ के नाम। मैंने भी एक पेड़ अपनी माँ के नाम लगाया है। मैंने सभी देशवासियों से, दुनिया के सभी देशों के लोगों से ये अपील की है कि अपनी माँ के साथ मिलकर या उनके नाम पर एक पेड़ जरूर लगाएं। और मुझे ये देखकर बहुत खुशी है कि माँ की स्मृति में या उनके सम्मान में पेड़ लगाने का अभियान तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहा है।
The three new criminal laws, Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita 2023, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, and Bharatiya Saksha Adhinayam 2023 will come into force tomorrow. The Government of India has held regular meetings with states and union territories, and they are full geared up in terms of technology, capacity building and awareness generation to implement the new criminal laws. India ended their 11-year wait for a global trophy when Rohit Sharma led Team India clinch the ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup 2024, defeating South Africa by 7 runs in a classic final at Kensington Oval last night. Here is a report.
Opting to bat first, Virat Kohli's 76 and Azhar Patel's 47 led India to a strong 176 for 7 in 20 overs, the highest score by any team in the finals of Men's T20 World Cup. Chasing the target of 177 runs, South Africa could only score 169 runs, losing 8 wickets with the help of Hendrik Klaasen, 52 runs. For India, Hardik Pandya picked up 3 wickets while Jasprit Bumrah and Arshdeep Singh bagged 2 wickets each. Two of India's greatest ever cricketers, Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, announced their retirement from T20 International after the side's second T20 World Cup win. Meanwhile, following historic win of India in the T20 World Cup, Shillong erupted with celebrations as people in different localities came out to celebrate the feat. A large number of people was seen celebrating the win with drums and flags, while people was also seen dancing on the streets.
The proscribed Nyotrap National Liberation Council, previously having opted out of peace negotiation, may now be reconsidering their stance. As per reports, HNLC interlocutor Sadan Bla informed that the outfit have not closed the door 100% to their negotiation because there are a set of demands like amnesty, lifting the ban, and withdrawing of cases. And if the government complies, they are there for the talks. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma had announced on Friday that the state government is in discussion with the union government and communicating with the HNLC regarding the extent to which amnesty can be granted.
Basis, it has to be looked into. But Government of India and both Meghalaya government have said that we are ready to discuss all these matters. But giving a statement that general amnesty will be given is going against the and deviating from the normal process that's followed by Government of India and by mainly Government of India and then Government of Meghalaya. when we go for talks like that.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has denied any reports of division within the party and the family over the party ticket for Gambagre polls. Meanwhile, Chief Minister's brother and former MLA James Sangma said he is not in the race for a ticket for the by-poll to the Gambagre Assembly seat. He said this has been made ample clear to the party leadership and the question of a rift within the family thus does not arise.
In the party, nor any division in the family. In fact, about couple of days or 3-4 days back, we have met, and in the meeting, everybody all the party leaders who are contesting, who want to contest, and the names of people whose names are doing the round, even though they may not want to contest, or they may want to contest, a different issue, but their names are doing the round. So whoever's name was doing a round, we have consulted everybody, we have talked to everybody, and everybody has confirmed that they are with the party, and whatever decision the party takes, that will be the final decision, and they will abide by that decision.
Meghalaya government decisions to adopt the NCERT books has raised many an eyebrows, and though the government claims it will bring the much needed transformation to the education sector, the citizens have their qualms. Here is a report.
The State Cabinet had recently decided to adopt NCERT books for classes 1 to 10 under the Meghalaya Board of School Education, with a caveat that local content based on culture, history and uniqueness should not be diluted. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma admitted that there were certain concerns and the state government will make necessary modifications in the NCERT textbooks and adopt the best content for the state curriculum. He said the state government will not hesitate to drop the part of the content which do not meet expectations.
We will not hesitate to drop, because as a state government, we want to give the best standard of content, the syllabus to our children. Because we have to compete with the rest of the world now, and we are not isolated. We are well connected with the rest of the world, at the global standard. Therefore, the standard of our education system, the standard of our contents and the syllabus should be the world standard. Therefore, we cannot be left behind. We cannot lag behind. We cannot move slowly. We should be at par with the rest of the world.
Meanwhile, concerns and opinion of the teachers and students varies on the adaptation of NCERT textbooks. Some teachers suggest the improvement of quality of the textbook, and some spoke about availability of the books.
Actually, it really helped us because there are lots of experiments in the textbook. Before it was just theory, but now for kids it is much better if they know how to do experiments with all those along with the study, along with the theory. There are lots of experiments, so I think it is very helpful.
No, for the beginning of the year, we didn't had many books available in the market. Actually, 4 or 5 books we got earlier, but 1 or 2 were not available. Now it's available, but earlier, before 2-3 months, it was not available.
The impact of this move will definitely be felt in days to come, and until such time, the debate continues. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
7 days have passed with no trace of the 16-year-old boy who was swept away by a flash flood at Waamkra. Despite the ongoing efforts of the State Disaster Response Force (SDRF) and State Rescue Team (SRT) personnel, the search has yet to yield results. The search operation commenced at 6 a.m. and continue until 5 to 5:30 p.m. each day. Waalang emphasized that the team is making every effort possible by thoroughly searching all areas along the rivers. Divers from the fire service have also been deployed at Kalyar to aid in the search. Additionally, the team has received support from the Seng Samla and Dorbar Shnong of various localities along the Waamkra. The Department of English St. Mary's College Shillong, in collaboration with the Department of Arts and Culture, Government of Meghalaya, organized a 2-day inter-college theatre workshop on Sangma Festival 2024 at St. Mary's College. Students representing their college at the workshop expressed their joys to be part of this workshop. This workshop is aimed at encouraging the young students to learn about expression, gestures, tune, and many more.
in this city and in our state, particularly in the performing arts. We see how music is really, as an art form, is really thrives in this state. And I hope and I really see that there's potential for theatre and musical theatre as well.
The annual Behdiengkhlam Festival of Joy, a 4-day and 3-night celebration, begins today. The festival begins with Kasngi Pinsin, the 6th day of the week after Market Day, followed by others. On the first day, Pinsin is associated with Kanyam Raj, where Kikon Raj, one of the locality, has the customary duty of fetching Kasimbot Knong, a solemnized tree required to set a foothold at Atnar from a sacred forest. Upon reaching Yaumusiang, it is placed in a specific location called Kajat Lum Suyung for the night. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded 21.4 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature recorded 18.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 96%. Relative humidity in the evening was 100%. The rainfall, 14.8 millimeter. The forecast, moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. Before we wind up, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses the nation in Man Ki Baat, stressing on the need of preserving the environment. The 3 new criminal laws, Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita and Bharatiya Sakshya Adhinayam, will come into force tomorrow. India defeats South Africa in ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup 2024 finals, ends 11-year wait for global trophy. And Behdiengkhlam Festival, a celebration of Panar heritage in Meghalaya, begins. Well, viewers, that's all we have in today's edition of the news. Do join us again tomorrow for more updates. Thank you.